Hi, I'm Sharon Miller. Since March 27, 2013, Ohioans have been able to set up trusts to shield their personal assets from lawsuits and creditor threats. Non-Ohio residents can also take advantage of these Ohio trusts. Under Ohio law, domestic asset protection trusts are called legacy trusts. Let's take a look at the rights and benefits that the person establishing and funding the trust, who we will refer to as the trust maker, can legally retain as to assets transferred to an Ohio legacy trust. Trust makers can retain considerable rights, powers, and interests over assets transferred to the trust. Ohio law allows a trust maker to retain any or all of the following rights and benefits under the legacy trust: to receive income from the trust, withdraw up to 5% of the trust assets each year, live in a residence transferred to the trust, use tangible personal property transferred to the trust, decide who will receive the trust assets after the trust maker's death or even during the trust maker's lifetime, veto distributions from the trust, replace the trustee, remove an advisor and appoint a new advisor, and use trust assets to pay for taxes and estate administration expenses after the trust maker's death. Now let's look at some of the formalities required to establish a legacy trust. To be eligible for the benefits allowed by a legacy trust, the trust maker must provide certain assurances on which those involved in the transaction can rely. When the legacy trust is created, the trust maker, who retains the rights and benefits allowed by Ohio law, must sign an affidavit swearing under oath that all of the following are true: the property being transferred to the trust was not derived from any unlawful activities. The transferor has full right, title, and authority to transfer the property to the legacy trust. The transferor will not be insolvent immediately after the transfer to the trust. The transferor does not intend to defraud any creditor by transferring the property to the legacy trust. There are no pending or threatened court actions against the transferor, except those disclosed in the affidavit. The transferor is not involved in any administrative proceeding except those disclosed in the affidavit. And at the time of transfer, the transferor does not contemplate filing for relief under the bankruptcy code. For further information on Ohio's Domestic Asset Protection Trust, please view the additional posted videos on my firm's website. If you are interested in having me serve as a speaker on this topic for your organization, please contact me through my firm's website.